Hi, Yap here. So welcome to the Yap Lab series. So this is lab 1. So this is the lab session. And then normally after you created your AWS account, you will go into the sign in page. Okay, so normally once you created is a root user, alright? So you just choose root user, enter your email address, click next. Okay, so just fill in the captcha. And then type in your password. Okay, so once you log in, here you have your account you created. Alright, so you notice here this is a lab test which I created. So later on when I use the IMM user to log in, you have a Alias symbol over here. Alright, so this, when you notice no symbol over here, is you use your root account to log in, which is not recommended by AWS. Alright, so first thing first, you go to the IAM. Alright, okay, so you see I've created some user and user group, just ignore it. So what you need to do, you need to create an administrative user. Alright, so just go to user, add user, then I just put test1. I'll just put test. Alright, so this one, you just choose password first. Alright, you just custom password, then maybe you put some password here. Let me see. Alright, so user must create new password on next time, which we are not needed because we are created for this account is created for our own usage, right? So just ignore this. Okay, next permission. So just choose the permission. This one is I created one, so just direct attach existing policy, put in administrator access, then next the tagging, you can just ignore it. Okay, so you have administrator access, you can create the user. Alright, so you have created the test user. Alright, so now we can close this, and then you see we have two IAM user, one is YapKC, one is test. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is regarding the IAM alias. Alright, so normally when you create an account, you have a account ID, right? It's a 12 digit account ID, and account alias, which you need to do it now. You can actually go and edit the account alias, type in the preferred alias, any name you like. Alright, so that when you log in, you can use account alias instead of using the account ID. Okay, let me show you. Let me just copy this. Alright, so is it this one? Alright, and then this one is my account ID. Alright, then my account alias, you can put in any name you like. Okay, so now we already do the two things we're going to do. First one, we create the user test. Another thing is we go to dashboard, we created the account alias. Alright, so now we are log in our root account, right? Because there is no alias here, right? So we sign out. So let's log back in. So now instead of using root user, we use IAM user. Alright, so see this, we can what have I done? See this, we can use account ID 12 digit or account alias, right? So we try using the account ID to log in first, right? So this one, we use the test we created just now, right? Password. Okay, sign in. So as you can see, I log in using test alias my account ID. So this, when you see this alias, means you log in using your IAM user, not root account, right? So let's try and see. So basically it have a administrator access, right? So you can actually go to IAM, then you can see all the user, then you can create user, everything you can do, right? So just to prove you that you can log in using the account ID lah, right? So now we sign out, so we log back in again. So instead of using account alias, we use our account instead of using account ID, we use our account alias, right? Yup, lab. Okay, we use test and then our password, right? So now you can see we are going in to test alias, our account alias, right? So this one is the more simple way to log in lah, right? You can just use Yup Lab and then you type in your credential. This one is IAM user. So that's it. That is the best practice for you to log into your account without using the root email ID. Alright. So remember to do this step once you set up your AWS account, right? Another thing would be recommended is you enable the MFA, right? But it's quite fussy, so I just didn't use. Okay, add MFA for yourself. You can just add MFA. Alright, you can assign MFA device, use your phone and download your maybe authenticator code. Okay, and then scan this, and then you enter the first line, and then you maybe it's 1 2 3 5 6 7, and then you wait for maybe 10 seconds. While the second code you just enter lah, and then assign the MFA. Alright, so which I'm not going to do now. Alright, so basically today you have learned how to create an IAM user account, and then how to create a account alias. Alright, so that's it for today, and hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.